Hello, good morning students. Welcome to chemistry class. So in today's topic I am going to explain about defects in crystalline solids. So this is very important topic for a board examination. So these are also called imperfections in solids. Imperfections means defects in solids. You can find here, this is one crystalline solid structure 1, this is 2. So in first one some arrangement is there. So small ion, let us say that small ion is Na plus, so larger ion, bigger ion is Cl minus. So this is Na plus Cl minus, Na plus Cl minus, Na plus Cl minus, like that arrangement is there. So in this crystal lattice, is there any irregularity, any imperfections? Yes, here and here you can find some disorder, some imperfections. So these are called defects. Instead of that, if these two also filled with the same type of ions, so that type of crystal is called perfect. Perfect solid means no defect. So perfect, opposite word is, it is defect. So in second structure also you can see here 5 atoms are there, next 5 atoms, here 4, here 1 atom is missing. If this atom also is there, same type of atom, then this is also perfect. Now it is not perfect. This solid has imperfections. So in this structure 3 you can find here also Na plus Cl minus, Na plus Cl minus, next Cl minus, what you are expecting here? Na plus Cl minus, Na plus, NaCl. If it is Na plus Cl minus, this is regular arrangement. It is a crystalline solid. It is a perfect solid. If it is Na plus, this one also Na plus, then it is a perfect solid. But now this solid has some defect. Here also this Na plus ion, Cl minus ion. In this also here electron is there. Instead of Cl minus, electron is there. That means this solid also, this crystal also has some defect. So these 3, 4, I shown here 4 solids with some deviations, some disorders, some defects. These are called imperfections. Imperfections in solids. So what is perfect solid? Perfect solid means no deviation. So regular arrangement, that is perfect solid. If it is deviation is there, any deviation from perfectly ordered arrangement of constituent particles in crystal lattice is called imperfections in solids. Deviation from perfectly ordered arrangement. So you can see in this structure, it is a ideal crystal. Perfect. It is perfect. Here no defect. Regular arrangement is there. No deviations. But here you see some deviations are there. No order. These are called defects. After imperfection you can find here there is no order. So here defects are there. Defect is there. It is not perfect. Imperfections. So this today's topic is imperfections in solids. That means there is no order. Deviation in order in some point or in some line also. So types of imperfections. There are two types of imperfections. First one is point defect. Point defect means it arises due to disorder in their regular arrangement of constituent particles around a point. So disorder around a point is called point defect. Second one is line defect. So today's topic is imperfections. How many types of imperfections are there? Two types, point defect and line defect. Point defect means disorder around a point. What is line defect? Arises due to disorder in the regular arrangement of constituent particles in entire row. So here in entire row, in entire line. Disorder in a line defect. Disorder around a point is called point defect. So types of imperfections, two types, point defect and line defect. Again, point defects are again classified into some types of point defects. First type, impurity. Now don't confuse. Imperfections are of mainly two types, point and line defect. Now point defects are again classified into three types: impurity defect, stoichiometric defect, non-stoichiometric defect. Impurity defect, stoichiometric and non-stoichiometric defect, point defects. Again, stoichiometric defects are again types are there. Non-stoichiometric also types are there. Stoichiometric defects, how many types? Four types. What are that four types? Vacancy defect, interstitial defect, Frankel defect and Schottky defect. Non-stoichiometric defects are of two types. One is metal excess defect, metal deficiency defect. So here 2, here 4, this is 1. So total 5 plus 2 7. So point defects, total point defects are 7 types. So they are divided into impurity, stoichiometric, non-stoichiometric. Stoichiometric defects are again 4, non-stoichiometric 2. So in today's class we are going to discuss about these 7 defects in detailed manner. 7 defects with examples. So impurity defect, vacancy defect, interstitial defect, Frankel defect, Schottky defect, metal excess defect, metal deficiency defect. So how many imperfections are there? How many types? 2 types, point defect and line defect. Point defects again how many types? 3 types, impurity, stoichiometric, non-stoichiometric. Stoichiometric again classified into 4 types, non-stoichiometric 2 types. So total point defects are of 7 types. Out of 7, this first one is impurity defect. Impurity. So here word is there, impurity. Impurity means foreign atom. So other than this one, it arises when foreign atoms are present at the lattice site in place of the host atoms, generates impurity defect. So you take a little amount of strontium chloride is added to sodium chloride. Here original crystal is NaCl. Sodium chloride crystal is original. In this, foreign atom is strontium chloride, Sr2 plus strontium. It is added to NaCl. Then some lattice sites of Na plus ions are substituted by Sr2 plus, maintaining electrical neutrality. So you can see here in this diagram, this is NaCl crystal. Original crystal is NaCl. Na plus Cl minus, Na plus Cl minus. So plus ion is surrounded by negative Cl minus. Next, what you are expecting? Na plus expecting here. Instead of Na plus is regular one. Foreign atom or ion came, Sr2 plus came here. Impurity came, Sr2 plus. Cl minus, Na plus, Cl minus, like this. Cl, there is no change in the position of Cl minus ions. But in one place of Na plus, Sr2 plus came. So another place of Na plus is vacant because two Na plus ions are replaced. Na plus, two are replaced with one Sr2 plus, because total charge is plus 2. Here total charge is plus 2. So one Sr2 plus ion replaces two Na plus ions. So one occupies this space, another one is vacant. So the cationic vacancies produced are equal to number of Sr2 plus ions added. How many Sr2 plus ions added? 1. How many vacancies there? 1. If 2 Sr2 plus ions are there, number of vacant spaces also 2. So this type of defect is called impurity defect. In examination they will ask SrCl2 plus NaCl. If this question came, this combination if it is there, NaCl is original crystal, this is NaCl, some positions of Na plus ions are occupied with Sr2 plus ion, that type of defect is called impurity defect. In that crystal there are some vacant spaces, that number of vacant spaces is equal to number of Sr2 plus ions added. So it is first type of point defect, impurity defect. Second type of defect is vacancy defect. So vacancy defect is comes under stoichiometric defects, total 4: vacancy, interstitial, Schottky and Frankel. So first type impurity defect over stoichiometric, next non-stoichiometric. In stoichiometric category, vacancy defect arises when some of the lattice points left vacant during the crystal formation. You can see here, this is crystal, here this place is vacant. So it arises, vacancy defect arises when some of the lattice points left vacant during the crystal formation. This type of defect is called vacancy defect. Next, interstitial defect. Interstitial defect means it arises when some of the constituent particle accommodate the interstitial sites other than the lattice points. You can see here, these three are lattice points, these three are lattice points, these three are lattice points, these three are lattice points. So these are the lattice points. In these lattice points, 3, 3, 3, 3. 12 lattice points are there in this particular example. Between these 4 lattice points some gap is there, interstitial site. Here it occupied. Here also interstitial site. Arises when some of the constituent particles accommodate the interstitial sites other than the lattice points. Along with these 12 lattice points, 2 interstitial sites also occupied. This type of defect is called interstitial defect. So vacancy defect means it arises when some of the lattice points left vacant. This is arises when some of the constituent particle accommodate the interstitial sites other than the lattice points. Stoichiometric defect, vacancy over, next interstitial defect over, next Schottky defect, third category in stoichiometric defect. Schottky defect. It is very important for board examination. You can find here Schottky defect is there. For example, this ion, small ion is Na plus, this red ion, big ion is Cl minus. Na plus Cl, Na plus Cl, Na plus Cl minus, like this regular arrangement is there, but here one ion is missing. Which ion is missing? Small ion missing, Na plus. Here big ion is missing, Cl minus. One cation, that means Na plus. One anion, that means Cl minus, are missing from their lattice point. Or sometimes two cations and two anions, or sometimes three cations and three anions. Equal number of cations and anions are missing from their lattice point, then that type of defect is called Schottky defect. It is very important. What is Schottky defect? Equal number of cations and anions are missing from their lattice sites generates Schottky defect. Schottky defect S. Here same number of cations and anions. You remember like this, S, same number of cations and anions are missing from their lattice points. So the vacancy, the Schottky defect also you can consider as vacancy defect, because there are two gaps, one per cation and one per anion. Ionic solids only exhibits this type of defect. Because of missing of cation and anion, you can see here ion is missing, here also missing, two cations, two anions, two pairs missing. Because of missing of two pairs, its density becomes less, density decreases, density lowers the density value will decrease. So in Schottky defect, density will decrease because of missing of some pairs. It is shown by crystals with high coordination number. Coordination number is high. Here you see NaCl coordination number 6, KCl 6, NaBr 6. So coordination number 6 and 8 if it is there, so that type of crystals exhibits Schottky defect. And the similar size of cation and anion. Here cation and anion you can find here size nearly same, or gap difference should be less. So Schottky defect S, same number of cations and anions, nearly same size of cation and anion, similar size of cation and anion. Same number of cations and anions are missing, same size of cation and anion, it decreases density. It is also considered as vacancy defect. So in examination for 3 marks or for 2 marks like this, they will ask, write a short note on Schottky defect. Schottky defect is a vacancy defect. Schottky defect is a vacancy defect. Equal number of cations and anions are missing from their lattice site. So total cations, anions, 2 anions, 2 cations are missing. So total it is electrically neutral, neutrality. Density decreases. Examples NaCl, KCl, NaBr. So here one more example in Schottky defect. NaCl, KCl, NaBr and AgBr. So AgBr. So these are the examples for Schottky defects. Next type is Frankel defect. Frankel defect. So it is fourth one in stoichiometric defect, Frankel defect. Here Frankel defect means it is also you can find in ionic solids. Smaller ion means generally smaller ion is cation, is dislocated from its normal site to an interstitial site. So that means cation is leaving its lattice position and occupies interstitial site. You can find here this is actually expected place of cation. This is expected one, regular. But this cation leaving its regular position and occupies some interstitial site. It is not leaving the crystal. Cation, only cation, small ion only small ion. Small ion means cation. It leaves its original position and occupies interstitial site. So in ionic solids, the smaller ion, that is cation, is dislocated from its normal site to an interstitial site, generates Frankel defect. Whereas in Schottky defect, both cations and anions are missing from the lattice, but here not missing from the lattice, dislocated, misplaced from regular position to interstitial site. It in the interstitial defect, it is interstitial defect because here it comes under interstitial defect of ionic solid, because there is no loss of ion, overall there is no loss, so there only there cation, so that's why density remains same. In earlier case, in Schottky defect, density decreases. It is shown by the crystals with low coordination number 4 and less. 4 or less means less than 4 means that crystals exhibits Frankel defect. Coordination number high means Schottky defect. Here large difference in size. Cation is like this, anion is like this. If similar size, I told S, similar size, Schottky defect. Large difference in size, this defect is Frankel defect. So examples: ZNS, AgCl, AgBr, AgI. There in previous example also I told AgBr. Here also AgBr came. So AgBr exhibits both Schottky and Frankel defect. So why? This is the question. Why AgBr has both Schottky and Frankel defect? What is Schottky defect? Schottky defect means both Ag plus and Br minus missing from the lattice point. AgBr exhibits Schottky defect, exhibits Frankel defect, because Schottky defect arises due to missing of ions from their lattice points, both Ag plus and Br minus missing from their lattice point. Because of small size of Ag plus, it occupies interstitial site. So that's why it exhibits Frankel defect. Ag plus size is small, so it occupies interstitial site. Ag plus and Br minus leaving their original positions, so that's why it exhibits Schottky defect. So AgBr exhibits both Frankel and Schottky defects. It is very important question. So this is about second variety, impurity defect over second stoichiometric defects, 4 types: vacancy, interstitial, Schottky and Frankel. Third one, non-stoichiometric defects. So in examination they will ask 3 most questions: differences between Schottky defect and Frankel defect. So this is the answer. These are the main points. Density point is important. Schottky defect, density decrease. Frankel defect, there is no effect, no change in the density. Here AgBr, here it is there, here also it is there. These are the crystals with a high coordination number 6 and 8. These are the crystals with a low coordination number 4 or less. Is found high ionic compounds. Here size of cation and anions is very large. So it is also you can find in ionic compounds. Highly ionic compounds, Schottky. So this is definitions. Next one, non-stoichiometric defects. Again, two types of non-stoichiometric defects are there. Metal excess defect. Here metal is excess. Metal is excess. You can see here how many A plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 metals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 non-metals. 5 minus ions, 6 plus ions are there. So here metal excess. In second example also, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 metals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 non-metals. Plus this is also metal. 6 plus 1 metal, 7. So in both cases, metal excess defects are two types. In both cases, metal is excess. Why metal is excess? In first case, metal is excess due to anionic vacancy. Here 6, here anion is less. Here anion vacancy. Instead of anion, electron is there. Here metals and non-metals are same, but one metal atom present in interstitial cation. Metal excess defect due to the presence of interstitial cation. So these two are metal excess defects. Non-stoichiometric defects. Non-stoichiometric defects two types. Metal excess defect due to anionic vacancy. Metal excess defect due to extra cation in interstitial position. So metal excess defect due to anionic vacancy. Na plus Cl minus, Na plus Cl minus, Na plus Cl minus. Like this here is there. 3 pairs, 3 pairs, 3 pairs, 3 pairs. But here Na plus is there. What we are expecting? Cl minus. Instead of Cl minus, electron is there here. Electron. So overall you can observe in overall Na plus ions are more. Metal excess due to anionic vacancy here. Anion position is vacant. That position is occupied by electron. So it is metal excess defect due to anionic vacancy. By anionic vacancy. An anion may be missing from the lattice site and the hole is occupied by an electron. That maintains electrical neutrality. That is called F center. That electrons are called F centers. F centers. It is important question also. This electron is called F centers. An anion may be missing from the lattice site and the hole is occupied by electron that maintains electrical neutrality is known as F center. So because of F centers, they exhibit color also. Color. The crystals become colored due to excitation of these unpaired electrons when they absorb energy from visible light falling on the crystals. For example, you can take lithium chloride crystal, pink, KCl, potassium chloride, violet, sodium and sodium, golden yellow. So earlier one example is there, NaCl plus SrCl2, that is a different impurity defect. Impurity defect. Here NaCl color is in golden yellow. If you heated sodium metal in NaCl, in the presence of NaCl, you can observe golden yellow because of F centers. Because of F centers. What is F center? Here some anion position is occupied by electron. Metal excess due to anionic vacancy. Anionic vacancy. Next one, metal excess defect due to extra cation. Extra cation. You can see here A plus is cation. In this diagram, A plus is cation, B minus is anion. A plus ions and B minus, A, B like that is there. But here along with all, one extra A is there in the interstitial site. extra cation in the interstitial site. It arises due to the presence of extra cations in the interstitial site. So it is neutral because this plus extra plus is neutralized by electron. Electrical neutrality is maintained by an electron present in neighboring interstitial site. You heat zinc oxide. Zinc oxide is white in color at room temperature. After heating, it becomes yellow. Zinc oxide in cold condition white. After heating it becomes yellow because of this electron, because of this defect. What defect? Metal excess defect due to extra cation. Zinc oxide is white at room temperature. After heating it becomes yellow color because of this electron and this extra cation. What is this defect? Metal excess defect due to the presence of interstitial cation. So this is about non-stoichiometric defect. So total how many defects? Total 7 types of point defects explained. What are the 7 types? Impurity defect. Impurity. In a stoichiometric category, 4 types: vacancy, interstitial, Schottky, Frankel. Non-stoichiometric 2 types: metal excess defect due to anionic vacancy. These are also called absenters. Next, metal excess defect due to extra cation. So this is about defects. Okay, thank you.